Super clean, coming in clutch once again. YouTube, what's going on everybody? Chris here, and today we're gonna go ahead and give our engine bay a nice, good, deep clean, because I'll be honest with you guys, I haven't really cleaned this thing since I moved from California. There's still some little California desert mud and dirt back there, so let's go ahead and get rid of that, because tomorrow we'll be driving to Orlando for the M.O.M event, Mitsubishi Owners Meet. Be a pretty exciting time. I've never gone personally, but seeing pictures and always hear it's a good time. So I'll be rolling in tomorrow, drive the car. It's not going to be like in the show or anything, but I'll definitely be checking out all the other cars, so stay tuned for that video as well. I'll try to drop that as soon as I can. But in other words, let's go ahead and get the engine bay prepped and nice and clean. That way if I do see any of you guys, I can pop the hood and it won't be so filthy. So let's go and get this thing clean. I'll wash the rest of the car later on when it's not raining out, because tomorrow is supposed to be nice. There's not going to be rain, so I won't have to really worry about that. Won't be washing the car for nothing. But like I said, I've actually never done this before. I'm going to use my pressure washer. There's a couple places you're going to want to go ahead and cover up. Probably cover up over here on the ECU side, cone filter, and the alternator down there below. That's pretty much about it. And we'll try to get all this extra little gunk off, you know. Yeah, that stuff has been on there for years. You don't really see it in pictures or anything because it's so far back, but it's definitely dirty. Definitely dirty. So keep in mind, when Mitsubishi made this car, I'm pretty sure they know that water was going to get in here, so everything's probably water resistant, minus our little cone filter, so you might want to cover that one up. But as far as the ECU and the starter, it's designed with hood vents on the car, so I'm pretty sure they accounted for water seeping through there, getting into your engine bay, but not doused, you know what I mean? So do you really have to cover it? Probably not. Should you if you can? Probably yes. Here is what we're rocking, right? Like I said, covered up everything. And let's go get started. But yeah, like I said, here's a little vents. Basically drips water right down through here. Your driving water will spit up. So like I said, everything's pretty waterproofed in here, but doesn't hurt to be safe. So my plan is I'm going to go ahead and bring out the pressure washer. I'll go ahead, give a nice little rinse down everything, spray it down with their handy dandy Super Clean. Thanks again to Super Clean, they actually sent this out a while ago. And so I'm going to continue to use it, and we'll see how this engine bay transforms. Hopefully it's a lot cleaner. Alright, Super Clean has just been applied. We'll let it do its little thing for a little bit. We'll take a little scrubber, scrub away, and rinse her all clean. And I will say, pressure washer had an issue. I actually just had to use the hose. So if you guys don't have a pressure washer, you can do the job just as good. Might just take a little longer. But look at that. You can already see some rust breaking loose. All that dirt and grime all up in here. Filthy. You can see all the brown coming up off these hoses. All that dirt over all those years. Nice to see it coming off. Alright, all about brushed up in here as much as I'm gonna get. Let's go ahead and rinse her off and see what happens. And the initial reaction is, it is a lot cleaner. Pretty happy with how it all came out. Of course, I'll go ahead and let everything dry. Let's see how much we actually missed or didn't miss. Yeah, let's go ahead and take off all of our plastic baggies. Nice and dry there. Now that she is all nice, clean, and pretty, I'll probably go take a little blower, blow out the heavy pieces of water that I can, and then I'll go ahead and park her back in the garage, let her air dry out, and see the final result. And I'll be honest, that Super Clean did an amazing job. That's all I really used was Super Clean and water. I didn't use any other soaps, any other conditioners. Straight up Super Clean degreaser, and looks like it's doing its job so far. Like I said, I'll go ahead and wait for it to dry, see what residue is left behind, but initial response is it's working pretty well. Being the impatient person that I am, I actually took a microfiber towel, kind of dried everything out towards the back. It's just the last piece that I touched up, that's why it's still a little wet. But show you guys back here, everything is completely dry. Now the only dirty spot is this little piece of rubber down there. Kind of harder to get that off. Maybe through some extra washes later on down the future that'll come off. But as far as like the firewall and everything, looks nice and clean. Some little residue on our little filter right there, but I'm pretty happy with the turnout. Here's the other side that used to be super dirty, and with Super Clean it is now super clean. So yeah, I am pretty happy with the outcome. Definitely needed to go ahead and do that. Alright, so what do you guys think? Lay a comment down below. Yay, nay, whatever methods you guys use, anything I could have done better, any other products you guys suggest, lay that all down in the comment section below. Let's all have a talk about it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, helps the channel grow. And if you guys are in the Florida area, surrounding area of Orlando, I highly suggest go to the Mitsubishi meet tomorrow. Should be a fun time. It's not going to be rainy. I already checked the weather. It's going to be like 75, 76 degrees. It's going to be a perfect day to go see other Mitsubishis out there. So with that being said, hopefully I'll see you guys out there. If you do, don't hesitate to come say hi. And other than that, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. It's all in the little details.